Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to type or how to write in Microsoft Publisher software. So you can see I just create a document, new document, but if you click here then you will not able to type or write anything. So how can you type here? So you can see the home, under home, or you can go insert and home. Then after that you can see the draw text box. You just simply click on that, and if you click here then you can start drawing. Hello everyone. So just make it size like little longer. So hello, so it needs more space. So this way, or another way, just click here and drag it, and okay. So this way, like, you can type anything whatever, and these text will be here, like only here, it will not going to the beyond. So like something you type, or you can you have to increase the font size. Just you can increase font size here or there. So it's really easy, friend. Or if you want to make it like it's the other like Microsoft Word or other software, if you want to make it shape outline, you can do it. Or you can color the change like text fill, like you can make it like that. So just simply select here and go to format, and then you can see text fill and text outline. You can change the color, or you can make it bold, or many things available here. Or you can uh, change the font here. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.